Now, hello children, how are you all of you? Fine, good. Today I am explaining about purification of water on a large scale. That is purification of water on a large scale. Now first, what is mean by potable water? Yes, potable water is the water which is fit for drinking is called a potable water. Water which is fit for drinking is called a potable water. In previous day, how we can pure the water? Yes, we can filter the water through charcoal, gravel and sand, and it is kept in the earthen pot with the holes at the bottom. It was kept in the sunlight for some time. It is kept for sunlight in the some time to reduce the growth of microorganism. Same procedure we can use in the fluorescent lamp. Here we observe when we take a water and kept in a transparent water. Where it is kept in a transparent water under fluorescent lamp for a few hours. Same effect it is occur when we kept the water in sunlight. Because in sunlight ultraviolet rays are present. What is present? Ultraviolet rays present in a sunlight. It is supposed to kill the microorganism. Same we can do in a transparent water, but it is only for few hours. It is only occur when the water is in small quantity. But if we want to purify a water on a large scale, then what are the different steps we have to use? First is the sedimentation. Now water pumped from the source may be a river, lake or dam, is allowed to stand in a sedimentation tank. It is allowed to stand in a sedimentation tank, that is the large tank. It is also called a settling tank. For a few hours. Here the mud, sand and other suspended particles are settled down. Here mud, sand and other suspended particles are settled down. The addition of here a small quantity of a potash alum. What? The small quantity of potash alum, that is K2SO4, Al2SO4, SO4 in a bracket and 24H2O. It is a chemical formula of potash alum. Normally we are calling it a Fitt-Curry. Helps the suspended particles to settle down quickly. The solid which is settled down in here, okay, it is called a sediment. That's why this tank are also called a sedimentation. Tank. The water here over the sediment layer is more or less clean. So here we take a water from the source. It kept for some time. Here the sand, mud and suspended particles are settled down. Here we also use a potash alum, so other suspended particles is settled down quickly. The settles which are at the bottom is called a sediment. That's why this tank also known as sedimentation tank. Now second step is the filtration. The water from the sediment tank is filtered through the various layers like sand, charcoal and other gravels also used here. Sand, layer, gravels are also used here. Filtration is also done through the activated charcoal. Filtration also done through the activated charcoal. What is activated charcoal? Activated charcoal is a special type of charcoal. It is a special type of charcoal made by heating ordinary charcoal. Made by heating ordinary charcoal in a vacuum. These charcoal hold the impurities strongly. These charcoal hold the impurity strongly. Now next step is the chlorination. Next step is the chlorination. Then the filtered water then is treated with the chlorine gas. How it is treated? It is treated with the chlorine gas which kills the germs. That is the purification of a water on a large scale. So first step is the sedimentation, second step is your filtration and third step is your chlorination. So sedimentation means water pure from any source like river, lake, dam. It allowed to stand in a large tank that we call the settling tank. For a few hours. Then here mud, sand or other suspended particles are settled down. The additions of potash alum, that is chemically K2SO4, we call it potassium sulfate, aluminium sulfate and 24 water molecules help the suspended particles to settle down quickly. The solids that are settled at the bottom of the tank is called the sediment. What we call it is called the sediment. That's why these tank also called as sedimentation. These tank also called as sedimentation tank. Second step, your filtration. The water from the sedimentation tank is filtered through here. Here the layer of charcoal, sand and gravels are there. Filtration is also done through the activated charcoal. What is activated charcoal? Activated charcoal is a special type of charcoal made by heating ordinary charcoal in a vacuum. These charcoal hold the impurities. And last step is your chlorination. The filtered water is then treated with the chlorine gas which kills the germs. Now I hope you understood how we purify the water on a large scale. Now thank you.